Hey crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome to week number 179 of the 1 in 10 by Jen From Mailbox to Masterpiece. I've been doing these for 179 weeks, including today, and it's been super popular. So if you want to get in on this, join us on the Facebook group on Facebook called Quality Crafts, and we'd be happy to get you the information so that you can join in on this too. I will open this up, set my alarm for 10 minutes, and then make a card. And I don't keep the card, I will send it to the person who sent the scraps in for this week. And this week is Tracy Myers. So I'm going to go ahead here, grab my phone, and set vibrations and stuff, everything on Do Not Disturb. And also set the display so that it doesn't shut off on me. Where we were at 5 minutes. We're going to set it at 10 minutes to make sure it doesn't shut off. And then I'm going to turn on a little timer that I have and put it to 10 minutes. So I have to have it plugged in today because it needs to be charging. So let me see if I can hide it behind the glue. Actually, a drink. Usually I do this ahead of time, but you know, sometimes I forget. So let's go ahead before we push that button. Just look in here and see what we have from Tracy this week. And she sent us a whole bunch of super cute baby stuff. A little rubber ducky. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Some fun little papers that have a little bit of shine to them. That's really fun. Pretty much everything matches, so I won't have too much of a problem there. And then a piece of blue paper. And I didn't set up any card bases. Let me just grab a piece of paper, 110-pound cardstock, and set up some bases. And I will use this one at 4 1/4, so it'll be a long card, top folding. We'll score that baby at 5 1/2. I haven't even gotten any of my tools out today. Not even my bone folder. Sheesh. Okay. This is what we're going to get started with. And here we go. I'd like to use this blue, but I'm going to be super picky and say that it's so not close to this blue that I don't want to use this. And I think I've already done one card with this grouping, I believe, last time. So I'm going to just go ahead and use what I have here. Well, I've got two there. Oops. I only need one. These are super cute. Let's see how long these are. Oh, I will almost make it over. Maybe I will just glue those together. Is this one the same? Nope, this one's shorter. And make that the like middle part. I don't want to use the whole thing. You know what? I could even know. I love this as like the centerpiece with maybe the little rubber ducky on it. Oh, that rubber ducky's kind of big. Maybe not. Let's see how this would look. Got a little bit of green here we could add. That would be cute. And I think she put this on sticky. Yeah, she made this into a sticker. How cool is that? I'm going to use this on the inside, but I'm going to cut them. I am going to cut them like this so that I can put all three on the inside because it's really cute. So we've got a sleepy time one in a rocking chair, and one... Ooh, that's really hard to see. I'm working on getting a new camera set up, you guys. There we go. Really cute. So let's go ahead and glue these parts on anyway, and then we can get going on another one. this one got a little damaged on the edge, which is why I just, in my mind, it popped up that, hey, I could just put this piece right on top of it and make it a larger piece, and then no one will see that little boo-boo where it's stuck together. This is going to go on first. Then this piece. And then this little green piece. And I'm going to pop dot this guy. Pop him up on there. That'll look really cute. I can't think of anything that I have in my stash that would be able to go on here that would look super cute, so I'm not going to add anything. I wish I could come up with it off the top of my head. The longer I live here, the easier that'll become, because I'll start remembering where all my stuff is. Maybe we'll want to put one of these guys down here. Or we could do one of these little baby guys down here and whip this guy up here. Oh, that would be super cute. Let's do that. Love that you made these into stickers. Super cool. Yep. I like the way that looks. We're going to go ahead and put him there. And then on the inside, since we have extra of this, I'm going to put this across the bottom. I'll cut off that extra. And now I have these two guys that I want to put on the inside too. You know what? Since I don't have to match that little onesie on the outside, I'm going to go ahead and use this blue paper she sent as a little backdrop to make a blue frame for each one of these guys. And then I'm going to cut around it. I'm going to add this little piece of green here, and I'm going to pop it up on that. I think that'll help me use up a little bit more of my supplies here. And I'm just going to eyeball these. I'm not going to get out the cutter for them. Put about a 1/8 or maybe a 1/16 around each one of these. See, and then those will pop up right there. That'll look so cute. Just one piece of pop up, because we don't want to have the card be all compressed together and then have it be wonky because I put something that's popped up on the inside of the card. But I think this is thin enough that we can get away with having just a little bit of this on the inside. So we've got the little sleepy guy and the little rocking chair guy. That turned out really cute. Super fun. I'm going to leave that up to you. You could put little one on here. You could put congratulations, something like that. I'm not going to ruin it with a sentiment because you might want to actually use that. I've got one little tiny piece of paper left and a little bit of that blue, and I'm going to call it good. I didn't need 10 minutes to make this card, maybe because I made another one with the same set of supplies basically, but I really think this one is just as nice as the other one. And so we've got a little, what do you call it? A little pop up there and a little pop up there. So that is super cute. What I'll do now is I'll stamp my information on the back, and this will get sent to Tracy. So again, if you are enjoying this type of card and made in 10 minutes from scraps, go ahead and join us on Facebook on the Quality Crafts group. and then we will get you linked up so that you can join this as well. The other thing that we have, this one is every Wednesday at 5, then every Monday at 5 I have me time, which is basically I do techniques and tutorials and things and teach you how to have some fun with the stuff that you purchase from our sales, which are every other week. So this month of April, our sales are going to be on the 10th and 24th. So I hope to see you live here for those, the 10th and the 24th. They start at 2 p.m. and go to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then every Friday we have a Zoom so that you can go live with all of the crafty friends, hang out, have a good time. Sometimes we just kind of eat dinner together or create stuff. Sometimes we just sit and chat. Some people sit and chat, some people work on things. It's just totally up to you, but it's a whole lot of fun and I hope to see you there. And also, I cannot wait to see you guys next video.